today we are going to learn about, let's read together. What time do you go to bed? Right, we're going to learn about asking daily schedules and we are going to focus on speaking. Great. So, before we start our lessons today, let's read out loud our class rules. 3, 2, 1, go! I can do it! I am the best! I am happy! Right, everyone, you can do it. You are the best and you are happy. Now, we're gonna do a short review about what we learned yesterday. So, does anyone remember it? Yes, thank you, Shinun. We listened some conversations about asking someone's daily routines and answering them, right? We're going to review with a chant. If you know the lyrics and if you know the rhythms, it would be great to sing along, okay? What time do you get up?
I get up at 7:20.
Great, thank you. I think all of you now know about and remember about asking someone's daily schedule, right? Great. So now we're going to do this. Let's read our today's goals together. Go. We are able to ask someone's daily routines and answer our daily routines. Great. Before we get started, I brought a new friend. I brought a friend. Could you guess? Is it Mickey Mouse? No, I brought Conan. Yay, Conan. Do you like Conan? Yes, I like Conan. Great. And before we move on to our activities, there are two main words that you have to know. Criminal. This means 범인. Okay? Criminal means 범인. And detective means 탐정. Detective means 탐정. Okay? Great. So now we are gonna do 3 activities. Let's read out together. First, activity 1, Conan's diary. Activity 2, be the Conan. Activity 3, helping Conan. Great. So now we're going to move on to Conan's diary. Are you ready? Yes. So these are the 2 key points when you listen to the story. Listen and guess who would be the criminal, and you have to pay attention to the blue and red sentences. I'm gonna ask you some questions after the reading's over. Okay? Great. So, hi, my name is Conan, a detective. Today I heard a case in Anyang terminal. I am going to catch the criminal. The criminal said he has breakfast at 8 o'clock. Mike, what time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock? Then you're not the criminal. Okay, I got it. You are the criminal. So everyone, who was the criminal? Right, Ryan was the criminal. So, good job everyone. You helped Conan. You heard a story about Conan catching a criminal who was Ryan. Good, great job. So, did everyone pay attention to blue and red sentences? Yes. Could anyone tell me what was it? Any volunteers? Yes, Shinun. Right. It was what time, blah, 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 and I, blah, 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 at blah, blah, blah. So, let me explain it So when we ask someone's daily routines, we say, what time, blah, blah, blah. Repeat after me. What time do you have breakfast? 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 Great. When you answer them, we say, I, blah, 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 at blah, blah, blah. Repeat after me. I have breakfast at 9 o'clock. 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 Great job, everyone. So we're going to move on to the second activity, be the Conan. So first of all, this is the group activity. So could everyone make group as 4 members? Great. So now I am going to pass you these worksheets, okay? And when I give you this worksheet, never flip it over. You have to just see the back side because this is only secret to you, okay? Never show your paper to other people, okay? So with using your worksheets, you're going to ask your team members about their daily routines, okay? Great. So 3 people have the same daily routine and only one student has different daily routines. You have to find out the person who has the different daily routines. Got it? Great. And these are the things that you have to remember. Start with person number 1 sitting right here and go clockwise. Person number 1, person number 2, person number 3, and person number 4. Okay? Great. And ask other people or ask other person one by one as a conversation, not a word with a full sentence. Okay? Great. And if you have any questions, just raise your hand and I'll help you. I'll give you 5 minutes. Go! Time's up, students. All eyes on teacher. Right, all eyes on me. Thank you. So now, are there any volunteers who wants to share who was the criminal? Who had the different daily schedules? Yes, Minji's group. So group 1, who had the different daily routines? Junha. Right, Junha had different daily routines. So let's ask everyone. 3, 2, 1. So Junha, what was your different daily schedule? Going home. So guys, students, let's ask Junha. 3, 2, 1, go. What time do you go home? So Junha, what time do you go home? I go home at 3 o'clock. Oh, great. Junha go home at 3 o'clock. So guys, repeat after me. I go home at 3 o'clock. I go home at 3 o'clock. Perfect, everyone. Now let's move on to the third activity. 다시 해볼게요. 다시. 어떻게 시작하지? Hello students, hi. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Oh, I'm fine, thank you. Great. So now we are going to learn about what time do you go to bed. So today's lesson would be about asking and answering about our daily schedules. So today's lesson would be focused on speaking, right? Great. So before we get our lesson started, let's read our class rules together. 3, 2, 1, go! I can do it! I am the best! I am happy! Right, you can do it, you are the best, and you are happy. So, before we get our lesson started, let's review what we learned yesterday. So any volunteers who wants to share? Yes, thank you, Shinu. Yesterday, we learned about how to ask and answer our daily routines. We listened to some conversations, right? Now we're going to do a short review by this chant, okay? If you know the lyrics and rhythms, it would be nice to sing along.
What time
Do you get up? I get up at 7:20. Great, everyone. I think now all of the students are ready to get started. So let's read out loud today's goals together. 3, 2, 1, go. We are able to ask someone's daily routines and answer our daily routines. Great. Now, in order to make our lessons fun, I brought a friend. Can anyone guess it? Is it Mickey Mouse? Is it Pochaco? No, I brought Conan. Ooh, wouldn't it be interesting? So, do you like Conan? Yes! Great! So, these are the 3 activities we're going to do today. Let's read together. Activity 1, Conan's Diary. Activity 2, Be the Conan. Activity 3, Helping Conan. Right. And before we move on to the activities, there are 2 words that you have to know. Criminal means 범인. Okay? Criminal, 범인. Criminal, 범인. And case means 사건. Case means 사건. Okay? Great. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Great. And for activity number 1, these are the 2 things that you have to remember. Listen and guess who would be the criminal. And you have to pay attention to the blue and red sentences. I'm gonna ask you some questions after the story is over. Okay? Great. Hi, my name is Conan, a detective. Today, I heard a case in Anyang Terminal. I'm going to catch who's the criminal. The criminal said, he has breakfast at 8 o'clock. Mike, what time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 9 o'clock. Then you are not the criminal. Okay, I got it. You are the criminal. So, everyone, who was the criminal? Ryan! Great, perfect. Ryan was the criminal. So, now, does anyone remember the blue or red sentences? Yes, 지금. Right. Blue and red sentences are key sentences that we are going to learn today. It's about asking and answering daily routines. So, when we ask someone's daily routines, we use the sentence form, what time do you blah blah blah? Repeat after me. What time do you have breakfast? 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 When we answer these questions, we say I blah 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 and blah blah blah. Okay? So repeat after me. I have breakfast at 9 o'clock. 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 Perfect, students. Now we're going to move on to the second activity. Be the Conan. So everyone, could you make your seats as a group. Yeah, it's a group activities. So could you make group as 4 members? Great. So we are going to use these worksheets. I'm going to pass you these worksheets. Never turn your worksheets over before I said go, okay? And never, ever show your worksheet to other people. Got it? Great. It's only secret between you and me, okay? Great. So I'm going to pass you down. Let's pass this you to you guys. Great. So go. You can see your worksheets, but never show you to your other students. Now, with using your worksheets, these are your daily schedules, and 3 of your members have same daily routines, but one student has different daily schedules. With asking your team members about their daily schedules, you have to guess who has the different daily schedules. Got it? Great. These are the 3 things that you have to remember. Start with this person number 1 over here and go clockwise. Person number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Great. And ask and answer by one as a conversation. Understood? Great. If you have any questions, just raise your hands. Okay? Great. I'll give you 5 minutes. Go. Time is up, students. All eyes on teacher. Right, all eyes on me. Thank you. So, is there any volunteer who wants to share who had the different daily routines? Yes, Minji. So, group 1, who has the different time schedule? Oh, Junha had different daily routines. Oh, so Junha, what was your different daily routine? Going home. Right. Junha had different daily routines about going home. So guys, let's ask Junha. 3, 2, 1, go. What time do you go home? What? Junha, you have to answer. I go home at 3:40. Oh, Junha go home at 3:40. So now repeat after me. I go home at 3:40. 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 Perfect, students. Now let's move on to our last activity.